we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of SANHSEHOME Tabletop Electric Fireplace Heater, Portable Fireplace Heaters. Highlight features or overview summary are include: efficient heating for all seasons. Stay comfortable year-round with this fireplace featuring advanced PTC ceramic heating technology for 2-second efficient heating. With adjustable 59 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit heat settings and 1500 watt, 1000 watt or 7 watt fan-only operation, 3 heating modes, heating up to 300 square feet. You can customize the temperature to suit your preferences. In the depths of winter, rely on its high heat setting to keep your space warm and toasty. During milder seasons, the low heat setting adds a touch of warmth without making the room too hot. Safety meets peace of mind. Your safety is our top priority. This electric heater fireplace features overheat protection, ensuring that it operates within safe temperature limits at all times. It also includes tip-over protection, stop working when tipped over, and normal operation after upright. In addition, the space heater fireplace also has UL, FCC, and ETL certifications. Relax and enjoy the warmth without worry. Timer function: set the fireplace's electric fireplace to automatically turn off after a certain period, up to 12 hours. This convenient feature ensures safety and energy efficiency, allowing you to relax without worrying about leaving it unattended. Convenient remote control: why get up to adjust your electric fireplace heater when you can do it from the comfort of your couch? Our small electric fireplace comes with a user-friendly remote control. Easily switch between heat settings, set a timer, or fine-tune the flame intensity, all with just a few clicks. It's the epitome of convenience. Energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Not only does this portable fireplace provide an energy-efficient heating solution, reducing your heating costs, but it's also eco-friendly. ECO mode automatically optimizes heat output. The heater fireplace will adjust the heat level automatically to maintain your set temperature based on the room temperature. Say goodbye to the emissions and maintenance associated with traditional fireplaces. You can enjoy the beauty of a fire with a clear conscience. Realistic flame technology: experience the charm of a real electric fireplace without the hassle. Our fireplace heater utilizes advanced flame technology to deliver a remarkably realistic flame effect. You'll be mesmerized by the lifelike flickering flames. The 3 levels of adjustable flame brightness create a warm and inviting atmosphere in any room. It's the perfect backdrop for cozy nights, romantic dinners, or simply unwinding with a good book. Easy installation: we've designed fireplace heaters for indoor use with your convenience in mind. By simply rotating the 4 wooden legs, the fireplace space heater can be used freestanding. The bottom is equipped with non-slip pads. You can choose to use it directly on the table without installing the legs. You'll be enjoying the warmth and beauty of your new freestanding electric fireplace in no time. Elevate your home decor. This fireplace heater with remote is more than just a heating appliance, it's a statement piece for your home. Its elegant, freestanding design complements any room's aesthetics, adding a touch of sophistication and class. The sleek black frame and realistic flame effect create a visually stunning focal point that guests will envy. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.